Hi everybody, it's Friday, TGIF. Thank goodness it's Friday. I wanted to pop on the last day of the week to continue on with the discussion about designing your China roadmap. Again, I've created this action plan system, which leads you from Superpower 1 to Superpower 9, which is kind of like a checklist of what you need to think about when you are doing your China market entry. So Superpower 1 is all about education on how to do business in China. Superpower 2 is all about market research, data at your fingertips. 3 is about putting pen to paper, developing a strategy that your board of directors or your investor will be able to analyze and say, yes, China's green lit, but then also having somebody validate that before you present it to those individuals that are making those decisions. And yesterday we touched on superpower number 4, which was about developing an ecosystem of individuals that more than just individuals, China experts that can help you get into the market. And today we're going to look at superpower number 5, which is protection of your assets. And the question that I'm going to raise today is, what assets or what system processes, what do you actually want to protect within your organization when going into the Chinese market? Now, the only people that can answer that are you in your own organization. Getting an A4 piece of paper and actually writing, well, we've got brands, we've got logos, we've got copyright, we've got patents, we've got system processes, technology, whatever it might be that you actually want to protect when going into the Chinese market. People don't do this exercise. And what happens is that the minute you don't do it and you start saying China's of interest, China, there might be an opportunity for me, people will take those assets away from you and either register them themselves, prohibiting you from actually getting into the market. So I implore you, as an action point, get a piece of paper, list out the assets that you have within your organization that you are looking to protect because they bring out the true brand value behind what you're doing, and get them protected. Even before you've actually started your business in China, get them protected, or at least have the conversation with lawyers or corporate service providers about how you can protect them, what you need to protect, right? And how does it impact you going into the Chinese market? So again, an exercise for today is really analyzing what is of value within your own organization. Is it just the trademarks, or are there patents? Is there specific technology behind your company that you want to protect? What are you doing in China that you might want to protect? Again, just grab a piece of paper, jot down what's on the top of your head, and then speak to people about what can you do to protect this, especially as China is a great growth opportunity for companies. Now, a question that I get a lot is, well, China, I'm not ready for China today. But maybe in 6 months, maybe in a year, maybe in 5 years. And my thought is, well, if you're having a conversation with me now, then China is of interest. And as a result, you need to start doing something about that in terms of protecting your assets. If you're talking to any China expert, anybody in the branding field or media agency or lawyer, it means that you have some form of interest with China. And as a result, you should be protecting your assets today because people are going to be talking about you. People will be talking about you because you have vocalized and spoken to individuals that are in China, that are on the ground, and you've shown your interest. So although you might not be entering now, and you might be entering in 6 months, 1 year, you should be protecting things today so that you don't give anybody the freedom to take things away from you when you're wanting to go into China. I hope this video has helped. If you want to have a conversation with me about protecting your assets or evaluating what assets you should be protecting, I'm going to give you my contact details and you can set up a call directly with me. I wish you all a fantastic weekend. Take care and goodbye.